are taking action to keep more of your money in your wallet this morning. Consumer reporter John Matarese explains the items you should never purchase in a drugstore.
Whether it's a small family-owned pharmacy or a big chain, drugstores are a major part of our lives. But a new report says there are some things they sell that you should buy somewhere else. Drugstores and their hard-working employees can be a godsend. They're open late at night and on Christmas and Thanksgiving when almost no one else is, to help you with that headache or cough. But MarketWatch.com says some of their prices are ridiculously high and says unless you have a coupon, there are better places to shop. MarketWatch says drugstores are very expensive for over-the-counter medicines, food, greeting cards, and cosmetics and makeup. Of course, that's fine if it's during the day, not so much on Christmas or in the middle of the night when the kids have a cough. Sometimes drugstores really come in handy. That way you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese, ABC Action.